Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn Science with Yasser Azam. Today I am going to continue the chapter Time, Motion and Speed. This is for class 7 and this will be the last part. In previous two videos we have discussed about time and motion. Let us recapitulate little bit about motion. I have told you motion was change of the position of any object with respect to time. Okay, it's called as motion. We have read about two types of motion in previous videos, uniform and non-uniform, and both of them were forming different types of graph, and that graphs were called as distance time graph. In this video we will be discussing about numerical. The numerical will be based on speed, time as well as distance. Okay, there is a very simple relation between speed, time and distance. The speed is equal to distance upon time. If you want to calculate the speed of any moving object, it is calculated by the distance traveled by that object in unit time. Okay, so if these two quantities are given, you can calculate the speed. Not only these two quantities, any two quantities if given in a question, you can automatically calculate the third one. There is a very simple math. There is no rocket science in this. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now let us abbreviate it. What will happen? S will be equal to d upon t. This you just keep in your mind for solving the numericals. This I will not erase and we will be solving the numericals. Okay, first, if suppose in case you have to calculate the speed, then simple formula is already given. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Instead, if you have to calculate the time, what will happen? Time will come here and this will become t is equal to d upon s. If you have to calculate the distance, what will be the formula? Speed into time. Okay, now let us start with the numericals. I have taken numericals from your book only. The first numerical says, for solving any sort of numerical, first you have to write, like suppose answer 1 we are solving first numerical, then first you will put the heading solution, then given. Whatever is given in the question, that you have to write. Until unless you are not writing the quantities given, it will not be easy for you to do the numerical smoothly. It is very simple. If you put it simple, then it will give you a better result. Okay, now a school bus take 45 minutes, means time is given 45 minutes. बेटा हमेशा याद रखें टाइम की तीनों क्वांटिटीज लिख लिया करें. एक क्वांटिटी तो ऑलरेडी गिवन है इन मिनट, बट न्यूमेरिकल में भी आवर्स इन आवर इन सेकंड्स. So always write it, whether it is asked or not, just write it so that it will make your time, it will not kill your time later. So what will happen? If you have to convert it into hour, you will divide it by 60. It will become 3 by 4 hour. Okay, for minute you will multiply it with 60. Okay, simply keep it simple like this. Okay, the time is given. To cover a distance of 18 kilometer, distance is given 18 kilometer, and if you have to convert it into meter, it will become 18 into 1000 meter. ये सारे conversions तो आपको पता ही होंगे. In maths you must have read that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So simple you can convert it. If it is given in kilometer, you can convert it into meter. Simple, very simple. Okay, now you have to calculate the speed. Okay, so speed you have to calculate in kilometer per hour and meter per second. अब आपको पता चलेगा मैंने ऐसा क्यों कन्वर्ट किया. टाइम मिनट में दिया हुआ था, why I have converted into hour and seconds, because the time unit is hours in hour and seconds. So now you will do it 2 steps. सबसे पहले आप ऐसे करें in किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो किलोमीटर पर आवर में किलोमीटर पर आवर वाली यूनिट रख देंगे. The formula simple. The formula is what? S is equal to d upon t. In kilometer per hour, what you will do? For kilometer you will put the simple value 18 upon. For hour you will put the value this 3 upon 4. It will go up into 4 upon 3. 24. The answer will be 24 kilometer per hour. This was in kilometer per hour. But if you have to calculate the same value for meter per second, what will happen? You will take this value, meter per second. Second के लिए this one and meter के लिए this. Okay, very simple, very simple. Just now do the same. D upon T. What will happen? The distance will become 18 into 1000 upon time, which will become 45 into 60. It will become 300 upon 45. final value will be 6.67 meter per second. Very simple to understand. Now let us re-understand the question. The question was given, the values were given of time as well as distance. Time was given in minute and distance was given in kilometers. But as you know, we have to calculate it into kilometer per hour as well as meter per second. So initially only we will convert them into the desirable unit. Then we will start solving. इससे क्या फायदा रहेगा ना कि आपको एट लास्ट यहाँ पे कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा कि अब यहाँ पे कौन सी वैल्यू को किसमें कन्वर्ट करना है, आपने पहले ही कन्वर्ट करके रख लिया है. सो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू डू दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर क्वेश्चन. I'll give you 4 questions, okay, and with the help of which you will be able to do all the question exercises in the book given that you will do yourself. Okay, if you still find any confusion, you can ask. Okay, bacha, see the next question. The distance between two cities is, means distance. Solution heading will be given, and what is given? Distance is given between two cities is 1416 kilometers. Okay, how much time it will take? So time we have to calculate to cover that distance at an average speed of 159 kilometer per hour. So time is in hour. We have to calculate in hour. This is already given in kilometer. Simply we will put the formula and we will get the result. But we have to calculate the time. So what will happen? This t will go here and s will come here. As I have told you earlier, simply you can shuffle it. So the formula will be t is equal to distance upon speed. Therefore 1416 upon 59. Therefore it will take how much time? When you will cut it, it will become 24 hours. Very simple. I think this is very simple to understand. Okay, bacha. Now let's see the next question. Okay, so the next question is, first you will put the adding solution, then whatever is given that you have to write. This is a systematic way. करने को आप ऐसे डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, आंसर भी आ जाता है, बट व्हेन यू आर सिस्टमैटिक ना, यू विल नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज एट एनी पॉइंट. ओके, इट विल मेक द कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी क्लियर. एंड इफ अ टीचर, सपोज आपका आंसर गलत हो जाए तो टीचर वांट्स टू गिव यू सम मार्क्स, ही और शी कैन गिव यू मार्क्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्टेप्स यू हैव चूजन. ओके, सो द कार ट्रैवलिंग एट एन एवरेज स्पीड. बेटा एवरेज स्पीड हम क्यों बात करते हैं? सपोज इफ आई एम ड्राइविंग अ कार, तो ऐसा तो नहीं बहुत परफेक्ट है, हम बिल्कुल यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड में ही चलेंगे. कहीं पे हम 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर्स पे होंगे, कहीं पे 50, कहीं पे 40, कहीं पे 30. सो हम एवरेज ही लेके चलते हैं. ठीक है, आप जैसे मीन निकालते हैं ना सारे नंबर्स अपॉन टोटल, तो सिमिलर वैसी स्पीड निकाली जाती है. जब हम स्पीड की बात करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके दिमाग में आ जाना चाहिए, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरेज स्पीड. अ कार इज ट्रैवलिंग एट एन एवरेज स्पीड इज गिवन 55 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, कार ट्रैवलिंग एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ टेक्स 5 आवर. ओके, टेक्स 5 आवर, यानी टाइम भी दिया हुआ है. टू रीच फ्रॉम टाउन बी टू ए, बी से ए में जाने में इट टेक्स दिस मच टाइम, 5 आवर्स. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस. वेरी सिंपल. ओके, टाइम इज इन आवर, it is given in kilometer, so we need not to change the quantities, we need not to change the anything. Simply we will put the formula. Distance formula will become, from here you can calculate, distance will become speed into time. It will come here, so you can write speed into time. Now you can put the values. Simply values will be 55 multiplied by 5. Therefore 275 kilometer. Very simple. Okay, इसमें तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, बस यूनिट का आपको ख्याल रखना है. लास्ट में यूनिट जरूर लगाइएगा, अदरवाइज द मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. नाउ सी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so next question is, a car takes 20 minutes. Okay, so given you have to write, car takes 20 minutes means time is given 20 minutes to cover a distance of 15 kilometer. So distance is given 15 kilometers. Calculate the speed. अब speed निकालनी है हमको दोनों चीजों में, किलोमीटर पर आवर में भी निकालनी पड़ेगी बच्चा, एंड मीटर पर सेकेंड में भी. जब ऐसी सिचुएशन दी हो, whenever you find such kind of situation, always convert it here only. What you can do? From minute you can convert it into hour. So 20 upon 60. So 1 upon 3 hour. Okay, and for second you can convert it into 20 into 60, that is 1200 seconds. Okay, distance simple, you can convert by multiplying it with 1000. Okay, so I have converted. Now we will be starting with kilometer per hour. Okay, we will take first this one. So in kilometer per hour, what we will do, we will put the values. Okay, the formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. Here you will put the value 15 upon time as in hour it is 1 by 3. So we will put 1 by 3, it will come here. So it will naturally become 45 kilometer per hour. Okay, I think this is more than enough. Now see the next. Now next you have to do it in meter per second. Okay, what you need to do, I think you are able to see. Okay, in meter per second the same thing you will do. Speed is equal to distance upon time. You will put the value where the distance become how much? 15,000 upon time becomes 1200. Very simply you can cut it and you will get 12.5 meter per second. These were the 4 examples of numericals with the help of which you can do all sorts of numerical containing these units: speed, distance and time. If you are still confused, I will give you more examples via written in notes. But till then, stay safe, keep working hard, keep practicing the numericals. Until and unless you are not practicing, nobody can help you. Thank you.